Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving through Fairview Shopping Center in Montego Bay, Jamaica. Now this is the largest shopping center in Jamaica and the largest shopping center in the English speaking Caribbean, and it's the second largest shopping center in the entire Caribbean. So this is a massive structure, and just to give you an idea, every store in this plaza is rented. Every store. You have from banks to supermarkets. Here you have Tutti Frutti, Pizza Hut, KFC. You have Wendy's, every kind of restaurant you could imagine. You have Subway. That's the ATL dealership out here. Over here is the high-low food stores. And this plaza actually has two supermarkets. It has the high-low and it has Progressive Foods. It even has a movie theater. The only food restaurant that I can think of that's not here is Burger King. And I'm not sure why, but every other food restaurant in Jamaica has a location here. Every bank, every insurance company, every investment house, they all have locations here. I'm not sure what's going on with this traffic, but I saw some cars going this way, so probably there's another exit down here. Oh, there's even a nightclub, Taboo. I think that's an... okay. Alright, so we're just going to show you another section of the plaza now. And even though you have this massive plaza here in Montego Bay, you have a lot more plazas as well. You have Winter Village in Ironshore. It's a huge plaza, very popular, but this is the #1 plaza in Jamaica, and definitely the #1 plaza in Montego Bay. And you know, we have a formula for a successful plaza. Build it you need three things. One, build it in a populated area, and Montego Bay is the second city, and Fairview seems to be the ideal location. Second, you need supermarkets. You need a supermarket, a brand name supermarket, and this plaza has two, high-low and Progressive Foods. Progressive Foods is a part of the Shoppers Fair chain, which is the largest supermarket chain in Jamaica. And then you need food restaurants, and this one has it all. There is one we're looking at, King Palace Restaurant. There's Mother's, there's Subway. We saw KFC at the beginning of the video. Pizza Hut, Domino's, you name it, it's here. Tutti Frutti. And you guys see how busy, you see there, look at the parking lot. You see how busy this mall is. exit. Okay. Of course, you can leave it to a taxi. That there was a sign that says no exit, and look, now he chooses to block up traffic. Not like traffic was going anywhere though, but no, he's directing traffic. Unbelievable. He's telling the car to reverse. It doesn't make any sense because, no, why is this car turning? Allow that. Alright guys, thanks for taking the tour with us. I'm not sure where all this traffic is coming from. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Have a good day.